What if I told you that your real job in this universe isn't what you think it is? It's not your title. It's not your role. It's not the thing written on your resume. Your real job is to be the janitor of the universe. Now, that might sound strange at first, but think about it. Every day, life gets messy. Your mind gets cluttered. Your emotions spill everywhere. Your dreams gather dust in the corners of your consciousness. And unless someone cleans it up, unless someone takes responsibility for it, that mess only grows. That someone is you. You are the janitor of your own universe, the caretaker of your reality. You are the one with the broom, and that broom is your awareness, your discipline, your courage, your decision to begin again every single day. Most people don't realize how much junk piles up inside their minds. Psychologists estimate that an average person has between 12,000 and 60,000 thoughts a day, and around 80% of those are negative or repetitive. Imagine that. Tens of thousands of dusty thoughts swirling around like debris in a storm. No wonder people feel overwhelmed. No wonder clarity feels like a luxury. But here's the thing. Nothing magical is coming to clean it for you. No one's going to sweep your mind, or wipe your fears, or throw out your excuses. The universe gave you the broom. You just have to use it. Cleaning your universe doesn't mean perfection. It means progress. It means looking at the mess honestly and saying, I made this. Now I'll fix it. It means accepting that there will always be dust, but refusing to live buried in it. Your universe has rooms, your mind, your emotions, your habits, your relationships, your purpose. Each one can become chaotic if left unattended. Each one needs your care. When your thoughts are messy, you can't focus. When your emotions are cluttered, you can't connect. When your habits are tangled, your future stalls. And when your purpose is buried under noise, you forget why you began. Studies show that physical clutter increases stress hormones like cortisol. People working in disorganized environments have 25% less ability to focus on tasks. The same applies to mental clutter. Your brain burns energy sorting through the mess. Every unmade decision, every unresolved emotion, every unfinished task, it all drains your power. So what does a janitor do first? They start small. They don't complain about the entire building. They grab the broom and begin with the first corner, one sweep at a time. And that's how you begin to clean your life. Maybe your first corner is your phone. Endless scrolling, endless noise. Maybe your first corner is your diet, the sugar, the late nights. Maybe it's your inner talk, the constant self-criticism. Whatever it is, you start there. You clear one corner, and suddenly light hits a part of you that was hidden. Journaling is one of the simplest tools you have. Just 15 minutes of writing every day can reduce anxiety and improve focus. Why? Because writing is sweeping. When you write down your thoughts, they stop spinning in circles. They land on paper. They become manageable. Reflection is another tool. Take one day a week to ask, what worked? What didn't? It's like emptying the trash before it overflows. It's small, but it matters. Then there are habits, the invisible gears of your universe. The things you do repeatedly shape everything. If your habits are messy, your results will be too. That's why you start with micro habits, tiny actions you can't fail at. Read 2 pages, do 5 push-ups, meditate for 2 minutes, send 1 message of gratitude. Because small actions, repeated over time, compound into cosmic change. If you improve by just 1% a day, you'll be 37 times better by the end of a year. That's math. That's reality. That's the compounding power of consistent cleaning. But sometimes, cleaning hurts, because you'll find things you've been avoiding. Old regrets, unhealed wounds, dreams you abandoned. They live in the corners of your universe, under the dust of years. And when you pick up the broom, they rise up to be seen. And that's okay. It means you're finally facing what's been holding you back. The dirt is not your enemy. It's your map. It shows you where you need to heal. Some people fear the mess so much that they never start cleaning. They hide from it. They distract themselves with work, entertainment, or noise. But here's the truth. The longer you avoid the mess, the heavier it gets. Neglect becomes weight. Weight becomes pain. Pain becomes paralysis. And still, the broom waits in the corner. It's waiting for you to remember that your power begins the moment you take responsibility. The greatest transformation doesn't come from building new things. It comes from cleaning what's already there, removing what blocks you, removing what's fake, removing what's unnecessary. The process isn't glamorous. There are no spotlights for janitors. There's only quiet, steady work. But that's where real greatness hides, not in shouting but in sweeping, not in boasting,